तो आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे बीए सेकेंड ईयर का पेपर फर्स्ट का क्वेश्चन हेलेनिस्टिक सिविलाइजेशन के बारे में। तो ये ऊपर में कोटेशन है, द हेलेनिस्टिक वर्ल्ड वाज इंटरनेशनल टू अ डिग्री, पॉलीगॉट एंड इंस्पायर्ड बाय many religious faith. The Greek ideals were the pagan and the Hellenistic age witnessed their death struggle against the Asiatic and Egyptian miseries on the one side and against the Judaism on the other. तो ये जॉर्ज सैटन का कोटेशन है। तो ऐसा कोई कोटेशन आप लोग अगर लिख सकते हैं तो एग्जाम में लिख देंगे। फिर ये क्या है, हिस्ट्री ऑफ एंड डिवाइड अब द हिस्ट्री ऑफ एंशियंट ग्रीस इनटू द थ्री पीरियड। फर्स्ट क्या है, अर्काइक पीरियड 800 BC टू 510 और 8 BC, हेलेनिक पीरियड और क्लासिकल पीरियड 510 BC टू 323 BC एंड हेलेनिस्टिक पीरियड 323 BC टू 146 BC। हेलेनिस्टिक सिविलाइजेशन, तो मैं फास्ट बोल रहा हूँ, आप लोग इसे सुन लें और इसका स्क्रीनशॉट करके लिख लें आप लोग। एंशिएंट ग्रीक सिविलाइजेशन between 510 BC and 323 BC, a period known as Classical Greece. Classical Greece is primarily characterized as a period where ancient Greece was dominated by Athens. The first democracy was created in Athens. The resulting democracy allowed for the flourishing of free thinker and writer, producing some of the most well-known achievements in art, literature, science, philosophy, and other science. Hellenistic civilization. The term Hellenistics come from the root word Hellas, Hellas, an ancient Greek word for Greece that was coined by German historian Johann Gustav Drogysen. Hellenistic world is the known world after the conquest of Alexander the Great and corresponds roughly with the Hellenistic period of the ancient Greece. From 323 BC, Alexander's death to the annexation of Greece by Rome in 146 BC. Thus, the Hellenistic period is characterized by the changes in the traditional ancient Greek culture as a result of this contact, and so the history separate the two periods. Hellenistic period ended when the Romans came to the town. Ancient Greece civilization was concentrated in what is today Greece and along the western coast of Turkey. However, ancient Greek colonists established cities all around the Mediterranean Sea and along the coast of the Black Sea. अब यहाँ पे मैप है, मैप लोग बना देंगे एग्ज़ाम में। ऐप देख ले और गूगल से भी सर्च करके मैप बना सकते हैं। डिफरेंस बिटवीन हेलेनिक एंड हेलेनिस्टिक पीरियड, तो यहाँ पे डिफरेंस है हेलेनिक का और हेलेनिस्टिक का। तो फिलोसफिकल है, साइंस है, रिलीजन है। तो मैं बोल दे रहा हूँ, पहले मैं हेलेनिक का फिलोसफी बोल रहा हूँ। फिलोसफी, द हेलेनिक पीरियड विटनेस द इन्वेंशन ऑफ फिलोसफी. There were many individual philosophers during this time. One of the most notable work of this time is Plato's Republic, which was the earliest systematic treatment of political philosophy. Other philosophers include Aristotle and Socrates. Hellenistic का philosophical है, the Hellenistic period witnessed the philosopher who focused on reason rather than the quest for the truth. These philosophers possessed a fundamental regard for the reason as the key to the solving problem, and they denied the possibility of attaining truth. The major philosopher group of this period include the Cynics, Epicureans, Stoics. अभी क्या रिलीजन, तो हेलेनिक का साइंस देखेंगे, साइंस देखेंगे। हेलेनिक, the Hellenic world witnessed the birth of many of the world's most well-known ancient scientists and theories. Thales predict a solar eclipse. Pythagorean invented this theorem. Aristotle engaged in metaphysics and syllogism. Hippocrates, who is considered as the father of the modern medicine. अब हेलेनिस्टिक क्या है साइंस? हेलेनिस्टिक वर्ल्ड इज अनलाइक अ फॉल्ट in many of the other art. The element of geometry, physiology, and Archimedes' principle of specific gravity, and only few of the many achievements of the period. Religion. Religion in the Hellenic world derived from the debate of the philosopher. There were debate over the goals of the existence, which mostly led to the some kind of civilization and search for the highest good. The ancient Greek pantheon of gods had been developed by this time, but the nature of the pantheon left humans able to question and debate the significance of the gods and their action. Hellenistic religion है. The Hellenistic period witnessed some major development in religion. The Hellenistic rule established themselves as a god king. Zoroastrianism arose one of the first document monotheistic religion with the Ahura Mazda as the single god and the intercession of Magi priest on earth. Mithraism, another monastic religion, also arose around this time period with a god Mithra having been born on December 24 and holding Sunday as a sacred day. Characteristic of Hellenistic period. Characteristic of Hellenistic period में है first the spread of the Greek language and culture to the new religion. Second, political instability as a rival kingdom struggled for the dominance. Major breakthrough in science and math. Three major kingdom emerges. तो first है क्या? Antigonid kingdom in Greece and Macedonia. Second, the Seleucid Empire in the Anatolia, Persia and the Mesopotamia, and the Ptolemaic kingdom in Egypt and the Levant. Spread of Greek culture. कि Greek culture कहाँ से फैला? The rule of this kingdom were Greeks who imported Greek culture, religion, and language into the religion. Hire Greeks and the Macedonia to serve in the government and the army. The decline of the Greek city-states unable to compete with the new kingdom. Hellenistic art. Hellenistic cities such as Alexandria in Egypt become a center of learning and the art. The Library of Alexandria contained more than 5,000 scrolls, and the lighthouse of the Alexandria stood more than 450 feet tall. तो ये था हेलेनिस्टिक सिविलाइजेशन के बारे में.